I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch OLED. Very simple, okay? So first thing is tap on the settings right here. Tap it again. Left pane here, we want to scroll all the way up to the very bottom here where it says System. We'll tap on System, and over here, we're going to scroll all the way up again. Go to the very bottom where it says Formatting Options. Tap on that right here. Again, scroll all the way up to the very bottom. It says Initialize Console. Let's go ahead and tap on that right there. Now, you should go ahead and read all of this, okay? I read the first paragraph up here. It says, all data in the system memory, including software, saved data, screenshots, videos, and user information will be deleted, restoring the console to factory settings. And you have please note down here, you want to read all three of these, and you want to read down here as well, okay? And you can go ahead and read through all of this. Go to the very bottom here, tap on next. You want to go ahead and read through this. If you confirm, tap on initialize. So it's going to go ahead and do its thing. You can see the progress bar right here. It says 10 minutes here. Do not touch the power button. Leave everything here. Let's wait. We're almost there. It's at 99% right now. There we go. So it's going to go ahead and reboot from here. So be patient. All right, took a little while, but it's finally turning back on now. And there we go. All right, pretty simple. If you want to turn it off, power button here, just press and hold. Just keep on holding for about 8 seconds or so, or till the screen turns off. So I'm still holding onto the power button here. There we go. I can start off fresh, or I can go ahead and sell it or give it away. Good luck.